Hi, and welcome to this virtual open day presentation from us at Product Design course at Bangor University. I am Peredur Williams and I'm one of the lecturers on the course. This presentation will give you a brief overview of our course at Bangor and outline what you would experience as a product design student with us. There are about 80 design courses in the UK, and I thank you for showing an interest in ours at Bangor. You obviously have an interest in design and would probably like to make a career within this field. As we know, designers can change the world, and I also gather that you would like to make an impact and create a positive change in the world. Therefore, come to Bangor to study product design, and we will help you develop the skills, both practically and academically, to make this happen. We will place you and all of our current and future students at the centre of everything that we do. We have a unique course at Bangor. We are the only course in the UK where you will undertake 3 industrial placements. That is 1 every year. The pins in the map show the locations of where our students have undertaken these placements over the last few years. Placements generally last between 6 and 8 weeks, and it's up to you to decide which area of design and manufacturing that you would like to undertake your placement. A minority of students have a very clear idea of the sector within design that they would like to eventually work in. But to be honest, most of our students do not know. 3 placements over 3 years is a great opportunity for you to gain valuable experiences and to figure out what you like to do and which areas of design your passion lies. Real-world industrial experience is priceless. You will have the opportunity to work with real clients on real projects, having a real impact for the company and their customers. And for that reason, we are consistently in the top 10 for employability rate of our graduating students. A question we often receive during open days and interviews are, what will I be doing during a week? A typical week consists of about 3 full days of contacts through lectures, workshop-based activities, and developments of digital-based design skills. A session lasts an hour and a half, and there are 4 sessions in a day. Your typical week consists of a session of CAD, where you'll be taught SolidWorks, a session on digital graphical communication through the Adobe suite, starting with Illustrator, InDesign, and Photoshop. There is a workshop session where you will be instructed how to use all of the machinery and processes within our workshop. And do not worry if you feel nervous because you haven't had previous experiences of this type of manufacturing. We take everybody back to basics and we go from there. We also believe that it's important that you develop your manufacturing skills to be able to prototype and test your products. There will be a professional studies lecture looking at design and innovation theory, processes and management, and the rest of your time will be design-based activities through small skills development tasks and design projects. All of our projects our students undertake are live projects. That means that we work with a company. The project and the impact you can have, therefore, are real. We have had students present ideas which the companies liked and valued, that they developed them and brought them on the market. And last year, students even had their names on a patent. This year, our first-year design students worked on a brief with our commercial partner, the Rayware Group, who are responsible for brands such as Mason's Cash, Kilner, Typhoon, and Viners. The brief was to design a product or system which would encourage children to lead healthier lives by being more active in the kitchen. We usually finish the year with our design degree show and a design conference. But sadly, this year we aren't able to host. These events are also designed around you, our students. Through the conference, we bring leading edge designers to talk to you about design, what they do, how they do it, and more importantly, why they do it that way. We've had companies such as Unilever, Seymour Powell, Heatherwick Studios, DCA International, and Frog Design, to name a few, speaking at our events. We pride ourselves that Bangor is different. We value the contribution our students make to the course, the university, and the companies that they work with. We delight in the fact that our teaching groups are small, with a maximum of 30 students within a year, which means that we get to know you on a personal level and that you get to know all of your peers. We take pleasure in our area that we are located, a small city on the edge of the Snowdonia National Park, where you can take advantage of all that it has to offer. And we promise to put your development and your future at the centre of everything that we do. So stay safe in these times, and please, if you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact us through any of our social media channels, at Product Design Bangor, university website, or email productdesign@bangor.ac.uk, and I hope to see you in September.